Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Come test drive the 2019 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Are you